Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. For the next 4 weeks, I will be participating in the quarantine cooking at home with me. It will be a 4-week series hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner, This and That with Denise Jordan, and the Sister Circle. We will be bringing to you meals that we have prepared in our home during the quarantine. So today I'm going to bring to you a breakfast idea. It is called a quarantine casserole. You pretty much dump everything, and I'm going to use a crock pot with this, but you could also bake this in your oven. All right, so let me show you how I put this together. Stay tuned. Now the items that you will need are eggs, pork sausage or turkey sausage, shredded hash browns that are thawed out already. You will need cheddar cheese, some salt and pepper, and some garlic powder. You will also need some half and half. And that's it. Now you can do this casserole in the oven or a crock pot, and I'm choosing to do it in a crock pot. I'm also going to cut this recipe in half, so if you wanted to double it, you could, alright? So first off, I'm going to turn my crock pot on high because I want this to cook within hours, guys. And I'm going to brown up my ground beef. So as my sausage is browning, I'm going to whisk together my half and half, my eggs, and all of the seasonings. It calls for 8 eggs. I'm going to only use 4 because again I'm cutting this in half. I'm cutting it in half because everybody in my house will not eat this. It will just be a few of us eating this. 3 of us. It calls for a cup and a half of milk or heavy cream. All I have is half and half, so that's what I'll use. I don't even have milk right now. I have to run to the store and get some milk. I'm using what I have. It's a quarantine meal, right? Should have beat it. I should have whisked the eggs before I put this in, but that's okay. Calls for a teaspoon and a half of salt. Just gonna do it by eyeball, y'all. Half of that. And some pepper. I think you could pretty much do this part to taste. Alright. And 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. You cut that in half as well if you're doing half. I'm just doing it to taste. I'm eyeballing it, y'all. So my egg mixture is ready to go. Now make sure you drain this because it renders a lot of fat. Alright, so drain it once it's finished cooking. So now we're going to layer the ingredients in the crock pot, or if you're doing this in the oven, in your pan. Again, I'm only going to do half of this bag. Start with my hash browns. My sausage. I'm gonna go on and put all of it in. I want more meat. I want it very meaty. Gonna add some cheese. And guys, I will have the ingredients listed down below. Okay, the recipe. My hands are clean. And then we'll pour the egg over top. Place the top on the crock pot, and we're going to let this cook for about 3 to 4 hours. Just like so. Stay tuned. I know for me, during this time, I'm being a little creative in what I do for my family. We all are on a stay-at-home order, and I'm cooking more than ever now. I usually cook anyway, but with everybody being home pretty much all day, yeah, I need some creative meals. So tell me, what are you cooking in your home? Now stay tuned, because we have 3 more weeks coming where we will be sharing with you some of the meals that we are creating in our home. Now guys, this casserole did not stay here for long. They gobbled it up really quick. This casserole can also be made for a holiday occasion. I've made this casserole for Christmas morning breakfast, Easter morning breakfast, you name it. It can be, you know, made for those holidays, as well as a Saturday or Sunday morning. When you have family that gets up different times of the morning, it's good to have a casserole. It makes it easier on you, all right? There will be a playlist listed down in the description box down below of the Sister Circle. I cannot wait to see what they are cooking and get some ideas to try on my family. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. Love. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. And I also have an Amazon store where I add beautiful home decor and home essentials on a weekly basis. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Now, if you are a faithful and returning Diva family member, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day and be safe. I'll talk to you real soon.